Facciamo un piccolo gioco di parole qui, in modo da avere l'altopiano di Giza in onore di Ra. Ora cambiamo le lettere I e A che ti dà Gazi Ra. Mettiamo la Z e il Ra insieme che ti dà Gazira o Ground Zero. Diamo un'occhiata a Gazira, alla piramide più importante, la piramide di Micerino. Andiamo quindi al vero Ground Zero. Prendiamo la mappa di Gazira e confrontiamola con Ground Zero. 1, 2, 3 e la Sfinge. Mettiamo le due mappe l'una sopra l'altra e confrontiamole. Evidenzia i triangoli e mettili sopra la mappa di Ground Zero. Ora vedrai che la piramide superiore ha una deviazione a destra e la piramide più bassa ha una deviazione a sinistra. E questo ti dà due angoli diversi. Perché è così? Beh, penso che ci sia un allineamento. Per le persone che conoscono il mio lavoro, sapete che dovete capovolgere orizzontalmente le Americhe e metterle sotto l'Eurasia. Questo ti dà l'allineamento. Ok, andiamo avanti e diamo un'occhiata alla grande Sfinge. A Ground Zero si chiama Oculus. Oculus significa occhi in latino. Non è un occhio? Apparentemente. Ma diamo un'occhiata alla Sfinge. Di solito la gente pensa che la Sfinge sia allineata, ma ora sono al 100% certo che la Sfinge è l'oscuro Anubis. Quindi Oculus sta per Anubis. Diamo un'occhiata alla testa di Anubis. Tagliala a metà. Nell'interno posso vedere la sagoma del cane Anubis. Non so te. Un'altra coincidenza. Il World Trade Center è un terminale nel sistema ferroviario di PAT, o dovremmo dire PTA. Dai un'occhiata alle due piramidi. Fonte Nord e Fonte Sud. Che scherzo, umorismo parassitario. Al memoriale in onore della morte. Oh, il mio cuore si sta spezzando. Nel mezzo dell'acqua ha la chiave di volta. O dobbiamo immaginare una piramide come questa? Mi ha ricordato di alcuni trucchi per creare un ologramma. C'è un'agenda qui in corso? Mi ricorda la spirale della Norvegia. Diamo uno sguardo di nuovo alla stranezza di questo fenomeno. No. Era un missile sicuro, seconda guerra mondiale. In quel momento ho iniziato a cercare modi per creare un ologramma. Questo particolare video ha attirato la mia attenzione per via di due luci, il blu e il rosso. E qui hai l'ologramma. Ma assolutamente strabiliante è stato questo. Apre nuove porte. Dateci uno sguardo.
And now it comes.
Eccolo che arriva.
Wow. Same story with a red light.
Con una luce rossa.
Now let's do it with two lasers. Wow. this is absolutely mind-blowing. That, of course, reminded me of the moon and the sun being reflections of Earth. So at that point I thought, what could be the laser here on planet Earth? Seemed like obvious. So I started looking if someone had this idea before. And yes. So in that case you would have a moon pyramid and a sun pyramid. It's not quite clear at the Giza plateau which one is which, but you have two pyramids in Teotihuacan. One is called the Sun Pyramid and the other one the Moon Pyramid. So we have three systems now. You have the system of Giza, Teotihuacan and Ground Zero. So you have the two main pyramids, but then you have a third pyramid or building, which in my view is the control center. What do I mean with control center? Well, let's take a look at the quartz clock. A quartz clock is a clock that uses an electronic oscillator that is regulated by a quartz crystal to keep time. So I think these three buildings are the oscillators that are controlled by the quartz, in our case the Benben stone. The second thing I noticed on these images, firstly you need a laser, but secondly you need a second layer which is holding the information. Well, big problem. I thought, there goes my theory. But as usual, all pieces were falling at its place. Remember in my previous videos, I told you about how they were creating a force field with the Solomon stars, and they were creating a ring of water. Then it flashed through my head, they are making this water to create the dome, the flat earth dome. So they were right after all, but partially. Remember, you had two force fields that were counter-rotating. So let's take the Hereford map and put on the first dome, the second dome, two domes together. How would they react? As you have two counter-rotating domes, it would give you the result of a donut and a dome counter-rotating. Let's take it a step further. Put the moon on its side and put a donut on top of it. Now the donut will perceive the light of half a ball. But how do you get this light in the firmament? Let's take a look again at the images of the laser. There you see that the dome is moving. Remember, this Solomon force field is rotating. So the tube is rotating. Everybody, of course, knows this child game. Well, you put it on top of the tube and you rotate it. Put a laser under it and project it on the firmament. Et voila! There you have it, the holographic universe. The way I see it, so you have the system responsible for Eurasia and Africa, the pyramids of Giza, and you have the Teotihuacan system responsible for the Americas. good question would be, if there is no dome, what kind of light would we have? Remember, in 1259, half of our crater flash froze. It took the parasites 300 years to re-establish the Ur-Solomon system. This period was referred to as the Dark Ages. Must we take this literally? Was there a darkness caused by a temporary failure of the dome? People sometimes say that the pyramids are a copy of the universe. I would turn that around. I would say the universe is a copy of the pyramids. The way I understand it is, when the parasites arrived in our crater, they constructed with technological means their own solar system, so they could survive in our world. Now they are rebuilding Giza in New York. But why? Is the old system failing? And what buildings would replace Teotihuacan? Well, I have a few candidates. What do you think about Astana? Or is that the reason they are building these Chinese ghost cities? Something else I found was the Egyptian creation myth. You have the two red balls with the dots between. That is the power field of the Solomon star. You have the circle of water creating the dome. But take a look at this form here at the top of this drawing. It is called the Akhet. But you also have an Akhet, but without a ball. You are not going to believe that. It is called Jew. So take a look at the side view of a crater. The crater with the dome is the Akhet, the crater without the dome is the Jew. So people who were living in the crater before the dome was installed were called Jews. So when they say Hitler was killing the Jews, they are right. He was killing the Jews, he was killing us, humanity. We are all Jews.